there's so many things that everybody knows about this stuff. And so, but you take those seven and you combine those with your three, mother, father, child, arpeggio, transferal of the octave. Even my first matrix points is just the octave, the most advanced thing there is. For us to be able to go from an octave is inwardly, to me, is going to through a black hole going somewhere else. Because if I'm playing a low G and I'm going to, uh, first string 15th fret G, I'm a different place. It must be G, G, G. Is it? No, it's quantumly a different thing. So
Right.
if you go down to Memphis and you come back from Memphis to Nashville, it's two different roads there. They call it I-40, but it's not. It's quantumly and a spiral that went one way and it goes backwards. So you remember to get out of the door. I mean, I go into a room and come back out. There's no reason where I should not be able to do that. With heavy intoxication of any kind, you lose that ability. You can't. Where's your car keys? Oh, I lost my car in Walmart.
Very
you
true.
know,
Very
you
true.
know,
And for our
and
listeners, this is the Butterfly Effect show with Stan Laster and Mark Hennis, where we talk about esoteric and abstract geometrical things and other philosophical things of that nature. If you're tuning in, we appreciate you. All the sound effects in the background with the roosters and the cars and the birds, those are free. Y'all don't have to worry about that. Those are free. Anyways,
yeah.
bring us back, Stan. Tell us more about the 9 point matrix system.
All right, my 9 point matrix is uh, being in Tai Chi and Bagua and other martial arts for since 1976. I got to basically um, feel feel just geometries for the body and did incredible things can you feel your little toe? Do you know where your spleen is? Do you feel your spleen? Well, these things can be actual become aware of in your conscious in a flash or many years. So by just becoming more aware of my circumstances, I would say, well, I have a lot of techniques and they would be, all of them are important, but they would light up on while I'm walking circle and meditations and figure eights and whatnot and doing the Bhagavad walk, was just a circle walking, a meditation really owed. Nobody owns it. Everybody owns it themselves, so it's yours. So I take my portion and I navigate it. You change, but the circle doesn't change. You navigate the circle for years and you're like, wow, what just happened? I've made myself into a not Ferris wheel. That's pretty dangerous now, but it's just a ride of some sort, geometrical fast ride. So what I did is I started collecting little principles that land on my shoulder. Well, these 8 popped on my shoulder and they wouldn't go away. I said, I have a lot of stuff, and I don't need you. This is not important. And they went, no, no, believe me, this is important. I'm not moving. So the first one is the octave, and it goes to heaven in the I Ching. So it's heaven. It's just airplanes taking off in the sky is the energy rising up, the same type thing. It's going up and out and above at the same time, and you go somewhere else. So to me, that's what an octave does. Number 2 is Earth, a dualistic Earth. No big deal about that. 3 is water, the waves of water just kind of cap. You see my simple minds, you see the little triads popping up and down.